were you not approached for the second part? The memories people have of you is from the ABCDs days. क्या आता है आपके दिमाग में? Any memory that you can share?
So to even stand in frame with like Prabhu sir, with Remo, ये लोग ऐसे मुकाम पे पहुंच गए कि अब ये इतने thorough professionals हैं. When I came out of the society, my knees were completely bruised, my elbows were bruised, मेरे चेहरे पे चोट लग गई थी because बहुत physical task भी थे. B, men and women in general are extremely intimidated by such women, and people are intimidated by me, and I love it.
Tell me your opinion on Khushi Mukherjee. उनके जो pap videos हैं हम देखते हैं.
Each to their own. It's not something that I would do, like I said. It's against my morals, values, or dignity in life. Munawar was fab. एक तो उनकी, he has this aura.
Okay.
He has this energy that he comes in like first he smile and we're like, oh, it's good, you know.
ABCD के बाद आप कहीं दिखे नहीं.
मैं दिख रही हूँ, आप अंधे हो.
You remember her as the girl from ABCD. You remember her as Chandu ki girlfriend. We have Nooran Shah with us, joining us at Filmigyan. First of all, welcome to Filmigyan.
Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. I'm very excited to be here.
And how are you doing recently?
I'm doing fab, just like I look. Blessed and grateful and amazing.
And of course, we are seeing you in the trailers on the show Munawar ke jo society
Yes,
wala
the
show aa raha hai.
society.
But before that, I have to say this. I have watched ABCD like 10 करोड़ बार.
क्या
और
बात
उसमें
है?
वो जो गाना है ना जो आपके लिए डेडिकेटेड है, चंदू की गर्लफ्रेंड अबला नारी, you know the song
Yeah,
that thing?
चंदू की गर्लफ्रेंड अबला नारी.
चंदू की गर्लफ्रेंड
सब पे भारी. Yeah.
So how was the feeling when you had a song based on you?
Wow, it was an amazing feeling, and I didn't have one. I think I had two songs. One was Duhai and one was Chandu ki girlfriend.
Yes.
So I think there were two बहुत ही different songs थे. And Chandu की girlfriend तो I loved it. I remember like everyone used to be like, oh चंदू का है, चंदू का नाम. like चंदू मर चुका है और असल जिंदगी में मुझे चंदू अब तक नहीं मिला है, unfortunately. But great feeling, amazing. I think also to be on a platform, when I did ABCD, I was the real underdog. मतलब
अच्छा.
I was new, raw, fresh. Everyone else out there was a dancer. They've had their own history and background of dancing and performing. So it was a very big challenge, and I think I did really well. So pat on my back for that.
But I loved all of you guys, and I really missed you all in the second part of it.
Yeah, no,
Why were you
yeah.
all not there? Tell me.
Oh wow, gossip. I think it's because everyone has a journey, and for me, after ABCD, I come from a background where I am born in a film family. My father's a writer. So dad's written iconic dialogues like Jhakas, you know, Gupt, Mora, ये these type movies dad ने लिखी है. So I've always seen the filmy setup, and I've always been intrigued कि यार पिक्चरें बनती कैसी है. Also, I'm someone who really wants to learn and educate myself about my craft. So I really wanted to take time to learn, and I was really young, यार. I was studying.
I know,
Mom was like,
right?
पढ़ाई खत्म करनी है, बिना पढ़ाई करे तुम ये क्या हेरोइन बनने चली हो and all. You know how it is. So I also wanted to be a literate person, get my education. उसमें वक्त ज़ाया हो गया, उसमें वक्त ज़ाया नहीं है, उसमें वक्त गया है. And yeah, I think in the past couple of years since ABCD happened, till date, I have learned so much behind the camera. I worked as a choreographer, as an editor, as a DA on so many projects.
Wow.
So yeah.
But tell me, were you not approached for the second part?
We all were, but I was studying that time, and I
Achha.
had my exams, I remember, and my mom is a very strict lady. She is an individual who comes from the background कि education बहुत अहम होता है, and it's very important to first be educated, and then आपको जो line में जाना है आप जाओ, पर आपकी basic education होनी चाहिए. So यार मम्मा की बात कोई नहीं टाल सकता है.
सही
Come on,
बात है.
guys. So,
कितनी भी एज हो जाए, you can
आप
never-
कितने भी बड़े हो जाओ, बूढ़े हो जाओ, कुछ भी हो जाओ, अम्मी जान होती है. She is like the hierarchy of the house. उन्होंने कुछ बोल दिया तो पत्थर की लकीर.
अच्छा, उनका क्या रिएक्शन है when she saw you in society?
Oh my God, she's having a lot of fun. She's having a lot of fun. It's also because it's very out of the box for me to do something like that. Like do a reality show, you know. I never expected one. But again, I love taking risks. और अगर जिंदगी में risk नहीं लिया तो क्या ही मजा है.
अरे क्या बात
That's what I feel. So I was like, let's do this. This looks fun. This looks intense. And mom is really enjoying. But mom is like, मम्मा की एक ही शिकायत है यार, काश तुम normal कपड़ों में होती हो, यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं होती, फिर तुम ज़्यादा सुंदर लगती. You would have been there. I'm like, I know, right, mom? But she's happy with the way I've played. And अगर आप भी देखोगे और जो भी लोग देख रहे हैं, I have kept my dignity, my self-respect, my standards. मैंने बहुत gracefully game खेला है. फालतू के किसी के पंगे नहीं लिए,
नहीं
फालतू के मैं किसी के मुंह भी नहीं लगी. एंड ऑनेस्टली, to be very honest, I feel everyone, if you're watching the show, I think अभी 7th or 8 episodes आ गए, you'll see me that I was a threat to everyone. किसी की हिम्मत नहीं होती कि मुंह पे आके कुछ बोले, और जो आके जिन्होंने बोला भी ना ब्रो, वो इतने ट्रैशी और इतने निकम्मे और कमबख्त, इतने बेगरत लोग थे that at one point I was like, even to look at their face is a disrespect for my standards, you know.
Okay.
और यार कोई कितना भी नीचे गिर जाए, मैं उतना नहीं गिर सकती हूँ. And I think someone even said in the show that अरे ये तो यहाँ की सिर्फ हेरोइन है. That was said. I'd rather be a villain. ये तो यहाँ की हेरोइन है. So मैं आज सबको बोलना चाहती हूँ, हाँ मैं हेरोइन हूँ. और हेरोइन बनना ना हर किसी की बात नहीं होती है. I think विलन बनना, हेट स्प्रेड करना, सबको आज की तारीख में विलन बनना है, क्योंकि विलन बनना आसान है. You know, today to hate on someone, गुस्सा दिखाना, गाली देना, रोना धोना, ये हर कोई कर लेता है. But class, dignity, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, ये सारी चीजें लेकर एक बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग गेम शो में चलना, आई थिंक वो सिर्फ एक असली हीरोइन कर सकती है. एंड बात मेरी रही तो खैर, आई लाइक टू से दैट मेरी एनर्जी ऐसी है मेरी एनर्जी ऐसी है जो लोग याद रखते हैं, स्क्रॉल नहीं करते हैं. And I was in a game where I was filled with just scrollers out there. So I'm like, you know what? Y'all are scrollers, y'all are trollers. I'm not interested. I'm too good for this shit.
Yeah, you're someone ki people will pause when scrolling.
Yeah, because I feel like आज की तारीख में in general ना रियलिटी शोज, मतलब आप लोगों को ये लगता है सिर्फ जाओ लड़ो, पक 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 करो and be as crassy as you want, but that's not always masala, right? Like look back at, like I come from a filmy background. I remember back in the days हमारे लिए जब reality shows नहीं होते थे, for example, what was masala was watching good romantic movies, watching good films, you know. Sometimes PG-13 movies also teach you so much. So I think that unfortunately is leaving the chat, and I think I would like to bring that back, that यार अच्छे लोग भी होते हैं, heroine बनना बहुत बढ़िया होता है. It's not necessary always to be a villain. I just feel in life you should not be a victim. Don't ever be a victim. Anyone who's watching this, be the heroine of your life, because you will win, and because you will win hearts. You won't just पैसा तो आएगा ब्रो. पैसा अगर, आई थिंक आपकी नीयत अच्छी है, आप एक अच्छे इंसान हो, that flows, that comes with time, with consistency, with hard work. But your character is something that you have to build and develop yourself and maintain. True. So लोग बहुत दफा build कर लेते but वो maintain नहीं कर पाते.
अच्छा, रियलिटी शो में ना पेशेंस बहुत लगता है. एक जो कॉन्सेप्ट है उसमें आपने पेशेंस लेवल आपका कैसे मेंटेन किया?
बहुत बढ़िया. मैं लाइक आई थिंक आई शुड गेट एन अवार्ड टू बी सो पेशेंट कि लोग मुझे इतनी वाहियात बातें बोल रहे हैं. Whether it was my character, whether it was the connections as friends that I made, whether if I'm playing the game, and उसके अलावा, but like I said यार, I think मैं इतना नीचे गिर ही नहीं सकती हूँ ब्रो. आप रियलिटी शो में हो या रियल लाइफ में हो, समटाइम्स लोगों को लगता है हीरोइक बनना या सच का साथ देना या क्वाइट रहना is a weakness. I think it's the biggest strength that you can have, and I think that's what people will even see in my journey throughout the show.
Right. और हमने देखा कि लोग शो में अपने आईब्रोज कट कर रहे हैं, बाल कट कर रहे हैं. आप कितने एक्सटेंड तक गए थे शो में?
If you see the format of the show, every time बाजार आता है, and बाजार is where अगर आप रैग्स में हो तो आप instantly रॉयल्स में जा सकते हो. I played my game smart. I made sure that मैं बाजार में कभी ना उतरूँ. So I made sure कि मेरे points इतने कम ही ना हो कि फिर मुझे बाजार आना पड़े. So but I was really injured. I wish we can like put a video. I'm going to share the video with these guys, and I should probably put that here. When I came out of the society, my knees were completely bruised. My elbows were bruised. मेरे चेहरे पे चोट लग गई थी because बहुत physical task भी थे. And it got really intense. And I think जब आप उस माहौल में होते हो ना, whether you're prepared or not prepared, उस वक्त आप में इतना जज्बा और जुनून होता है ना. Plus the whole house hated me. Except for Amir and Bhavish, who I love. I love both of them. They're my friends. We're still friends, touch wood. And I think they were the only two people who were in my support, who knew that, okay. But nonetheless, I think Amir और Bhavish ये दो ही लोग थे जिनके साथ मैंने घर में interact किया. Also, I think because we came from the same understanding and mindset that we are here to win the game. हम यहाँ किसी को नीचे दिखाने नहीं आए हैं. हम किसी और का game खराब करने ही नहीं आए. And that's why I think we all three went together, and बहुत कुछ. अब तो like I can't say so much, but when you will watch, I think people are going to love seeing even real friendship on a reality show for the first time, I think.
Right. And you know, like you said, the show for you is out of the blue. You know, no one expected you to be a part of
Yeah.
it. So how did it happen? Did it they approached you?
So they approached me, and initially I was like, okay, what is this? Like, is this going to be like a Big Boss? Is this going to be a roadies? Because aajkal itne reality shows hai, it's tough to
True.
gauge. But once I entered the show, I realized, bro, this is hashtag Desi Squid Game. Like, this is nothing like any one of us imagined. I could never imagine. I initially thought that it'd be a mind game and all. So I know I'm a very strong person. मुझे जिंदगी में इतना तजुर्बा है. मैंने बहुत ऊंचाइयाँ देखी है, नीचाइयाँ भी देखी है. So I've kind of I'm coming from a place of my own little baggage, baggage of experiences, you know. But it was nothing like that. It was really tough, bro. It was really tough.
But
Like every
were
time
you-
I'm going back to the thought of the house, and I'm like,
I know.
dude,
But
insane.
were you confident before as well? Ki I'm gonna.
Yeah,
kill this?
I'm very confident. I'm confident in general. I think one thing that has always stuck with me, and I think iske wajah se bhi main aage gayi hu, is my confidence. I'm always very confident. If I'm in it, I'm in to win it. And I think more than confidence, one thing I love about myself, it's something that my father taught me and inculcated in me as a child, was 3 things. One is time, बहुत अहम होता है. तो आपको वक्त की इज्जत करनी चाहिए, आपकी और दूसरों की. दूसरा चीज़ है डिसिप्लिन. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी डिसिप्लिन. तीसरा चीज़ है आपके मॉरल्स और वैल्यूज. यू शुड नेवर लेट गो ऑफ दैट. एंड द फोर्थ इज टू बी एंड लिव इन द प्रेजेंट.
Right.
You know, and give it your 100%. So I'm someone who lives in the present. Every game I took it like a new task, a new day. Let's go, babes. Let's do this. Let's kill this. So yeah, I mean, that's how it's been.
But every reality show have different kinds of contestants. You know, you'll have a
The
sweet
contestant
one.
in this show, though, I mean, I would like to again keep my friends out. That's Amir and Bhavish. Apart from that, people are watching.
But who was the one who really tested your patience?
Everyone, I think now and अब ना bro, when I'm watching the show, अब मुझे पता है मैंने क्या किया है, मेरी conversations आमिर भावेश या गार्गी वार्गी सब क्या हुई है. Now after coming out, I'm seeing what other people have like spoken about me, right? And I
Okay,
realized, oh my
yeah.
god, the whole house hated me. They kept calling me privileged pari or papa ki pari and stuff like that. And they were just so, I think, intimidated. Also, I really have to say this, that एक औरत जो होती है ना, when she is beautiful from the outside and from the inside, I think that's a very rare combination. A. B, men and women in general are extremely intimidated by such women, and people are intimidated by me, and I love it.
Yeah.
I absolutely love it. Like, I don't give a damn if you like me or hate me. You can't ignore me. That's one thing for sure. And like I said, I am someone. I am not someone you'll just scroll by. And someone, my energy is going to stay with you. You're either going to like it, you're going to hate it, but you're not going to let go of it.
Yeah,
So.
we cannot ignore that.
You can't ignore it, for sure.
Yeah.
for
Okay,
sure.
there's one contestant, Arohi Khurana. I don't know what are your dynamics with her in that house.
I
Can
have
you
no
share any-
dynamics with her.
No dynamics with her.
Inside the house and outside.
But how was it like, you know, playing games with her and all?
It was okay. It was fine. I mean, honestly, for me, it wasn't like I'm playing a game with ROE or playing a game with someone,
Okay.
Azma, or with someone else. It was me against myself. So every time I got into doing a task, it was like मैंने पिछली दफा ये perform किया था, अब better करना है bro, अब इससे better करना है. And like I said, मेरा intention ये था ही नहीं, मेरी ये नियत ही नहीं थी कि मैं किसी और का game बिगाड़ूं.
अच्छा.
मेरा था कि
Right.
मेरा game बढ़िया होना चाहिए bro, बाकी सब गए तेल लेंगे. That's about it.
अच्छा, सबसे competitive कौन लगा शो में?
सबसे competitive मैं थी सबके लिए शो में. And like I said, my friends, bro, Amir Bhavish, I think हम तीन की जो तिगड़ी बनी है, Amir Bhavish और नूर की, I think we're really strong contenders, and I think it's so much fun कि पहली दफा हम एक reality show में देख रहे हैं कि तीन tough contenders
साथ में.
are together
Okay.
like a team. Like, it's not like I'm gonna put you down. No, bro, we're gonna play together, and that's what day one से हमारा intention था कि bro साथ में खेलते, आगे टॉप 3 हमको पहुंचना है, फिर हम बिस्मिल्लाह करेंगे, फिर ऊपर वाले के हाथ में, जिसकी
हाँ.
किस्मत है, जिसके बोलते ना इस हक का है, उसको मिलेगा. That types. So I think this is something that, but like if you're asking me who were competition, Amir Bhavish.
Both of them.
Yeah, I think we three were the competitors for everyone in the
Yeah.
house. Rest, I didn't take anyone as competition.
And also Munawar खुद ही एक winner है Big
Yes.
Boss के, you know, for him to host कैसा था उनके साथ?
Wow, it was amazing. I think Munawar, apart from just being the master of the house, I have to say this, and I think I speak on behalf of most contestants, that he gave us so much strength in the show. Like every time he walked in, he was like, oh, कोई अपना आया यार bro, अब कुछ, you know, and उन्होंने बहुत इंसाफ किया show में. The show also teaches us के how अमीर, गरीब, middle class, you know what happens between these people. And I also, it shows that just because you come from an Amir family or you come from a privileged family, it's not a flaw, it's a flex. And people look at it like people look down upon it. Why? I mean, that's not fair.
Right.
हम एक गरीब का टैलेंट उसके बैकग्राउंड से मेजर नहीं करते, करेक्ट? तो एक अमीर का टैलेंट क्यों किया जा रहा है? एंड आई थिंक रियल प्रिविलेजेस जस्ट मनी नहीं होता है. ऑफ कोर्स पैसा बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत अहम है आज की तारीख में, बट आई बिलीव रियल प्रिविलेजेस आर is your bringing, is your morals, is your values, is your self-awareness. And I think people don't see beyond money.
Right.
That's the problem. And people forget that in the bargain, privilege, these are real privileges. अगर आपके पास आपके घर में आपके अम्मी अब्बू हैं जिनके साथ आप वक्त गुजार रहे हो, आपके साथ अच्छा सा भाई है, बहन है, these are real privileges, bro. And that is not, that money can't buy. Money can't buy you a mother, money can't buy you love.
Absolutely.
Money can't buy you trust, loyalty, none of this. So coming back to where we were, because we have completely deviated from the question, guys. We're talking so much and I have kind of forgotten the question. What was it?
Munawar.
Yeah. So yeah, like I said, Munawar was fab. Ek to he has this aura.
Okay.
He has this energy and that he comes in, like first he smile and we're like, oh, it's good, you know. And then he'll be like, तुमने ये किया, बहुत बुरा किया, oh shit dude, oh no, like now people are gonna get screwed.
Okay.
And I think people really waited for Munawar to come in the show because तब इंसाफ होता था. So you know, अब मास्टर ऑफ द गेम आए हैं और अब वो इंसाफ करेंगे, अब जिसका हक का है वो देंगे उनको. एंड प्लस आई थिंक जस्ट इन सच अ शो ना बहुत टफ होता है ब्रो. आप जाते ही आपके सिर्फ 200 घंटे है, सो 200 घंटों में इतना कुछ हो रहा है दैट बोलते ना, आप एक जब ऐसे शख्स को मिलते हो जो इतनी पॉजिटिविटी लेके आ रहा है इतनी एक नेगेटिव environment में, I think that's nothing but just you feel like, oh, a blessing is here.
Right.
So definitely Munawar was like a blessing in disguise, even though he was a master of the house and he was
Still,
being
he
strict,
was a blessing.
but फिर भी एक वो एक अपनापन की feeling थी that no, he is here and now things are gonna be right.
And एक reality show में people say कि real होना difficult है.
Right.
Is it like that?
Not for me at least. For other people, yeah, could be. Because I think in a reality show, most people are wearing a mask, right? हर कोई आता है ये सोच के भाई जाते ही फोड़ देना है. So people are come with the intention. So वो तो आपकी असलियत है ही नहीं, right? You are putting on a mask to create तमाशा, to create and that's when your game also starts falling. क्योंकि फिर आप ये फोकस करने लगते हो कि भाई आज मेरे को तुम्हारा गेम खराब करना है, तो मेरा फोकस हट गया है. आई एम नॉट फोकस कि मुझे मेरा गेम सही करना है. But I don't think it's really difficult. I was myself, absolutely myself. लोगों को ये भी बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बोला that oh, you're not talking too much to people. I might look distant or might look cold, but I think that's only because you know, मुझे पता है मेरे standards क्या है. Just because मैं एक reality show में आई हूँ, मुझे footage चाहिए या मुझे attention चाहिए, मैं उसके लिए अपना सब कुछ बेच नहीं उतरूँगी. You know, I know that. And I think that in a reality show, there's space for everyone. There's space for trashy people, but at the same time, there's space for good people, and the good people always win.
Yes, but बाकी contestant लोगों ने, you know, what did they do to put the masala, to put the content?
Haven't you seen? They're just fighting like cats and dogs. आते ही चालू हो गए तेरी मतलब this, that, foul language. And also I think a lot of contestants, if you watch the show, they can't perform. तो जब आप perform नहीं कर पाते हो टास्क में, तो आप क्या करते हो? आप आपकी ज़बान से perform करते हो. तो और ज़बान से perform करते करते आप कभी कभी भूल जाते हो कि ब्रो आपकी ज़बान कोई आगे कट भी कर सकता है, या आप खुद ही आपकी ज़बान कट कर दोगे क्योंकि आपका कैरेक्टर दिख गया.
Right.
I think at the end of the day, people like watching people full of character. Your character takes you ahead in life. It's not your class, not your culture, not where you come from. आप अमीर हो गरीब हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आपका personal character क्या है? That's what creates your aura, I think. So people did a lot, and like if you see the show, people have gone all out with cussing, with saying some really bad things. I think अभी एक episode में आया जब मेरा और आज़मा का, you know, she came and she told me a lot of bad things, a lot of very dirty things, you know. I think dirty is the right word. And I remember watching it with my mom, and mama was like, you know, you should have just, you know, I'm given it to her. Like one of my friends was like, you should have given it to her, but my mom was like, no, I'm happy you didn't. Because आप उस लेवल तक गिर ही नहीं सकती हो ना ब्रो, क्योंकि मैं तो हेरोइन हूँ ना. वो सब विलेन है, मैं हेरोइन हूँ. हेरोइन अपनी औकात कभी नहीं भूलती और अपने स्टैंडर्ड्स कभी नहीं भूलती है. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी ब्रो कि टू अ पॉइंट जहाँ मुझे बोलना था मैंने बोला, जहाँ खेलना था वहाँ मैं खेली, ऊपर आई, and I have maintained my self-respect and dignity throughout the show.
राइट. और ये शो में ना जो टास्क है ना वो सबसे उठकर दिख रहा है.
Dude, tasks तो बहुत tough थे. Like
बहुत.
literally जो आपको टीवी पे दिख रहा है, it's 100 times more tougher than that.
Okay.
It's not at all like how it looks.
Mm-hmm.
वहाँ जब आप हो उस माहौल में, एक तो खाना नहीं था bro. Like there was lack of food. I don't know if you watched the show, but every day खाना कम होता जाता था. एंड भूख लगी है, नींद नहीं हो रही है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी है, इरिटेशन भी है. ऑल्सो वी वर इन अ वॉल्ट, तो हमने कभी सनलाइट नहीं देखी. सो वी वर कंप्लीटली प्योर ऑक्सीजन नहीं, वी आर नॉट ब्रीदिंग प्योर ऑक्सीजन, वी आर इन अ वॉल्ट कॉन्स्टेंटली, राइट? वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम द वॉल टू ग्राउंड जीरो, वॉल टू ग्राउंड जीरो. सो दैट्स द ओनली एयर वी आर ब्रीदिंग, दैट्स द ओनली people we are living with, and it got really really tough. And जब आप भूखे पेट होते हो ब्रो, आप सोए नहीं हो, हाउ इज योर बॉडी गोइंग टू परफॉर्म? बट दैट्स व्हाट द चैलेंज वाज, दैट आप भूखे हो, आप प्यासे हो, आपको नींद आ रही है, आपका बॉडी गिव अप कर रहा है, बट आपका जिगरा अंदर से बोल रहा है ब्रो कर, यू हैव टू डू दिस, गो फॉर इट. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग आई लर्नड इन द शो, दैट under such difficult circumstances and situations also your body will listen to you if your mind is something that you can control.
So it was really challenging.
Very challenging, bro. Very challenging. Very challenging. And not just for me, for everyone. For every contestant out there, it was extremely challenging. Even for the men, for chahe ladka ho, ladki ho, koi bhi ho.
What kept you going?
What kept me going was my attitude of to never lose. I think I've never lost in life. And I never would like to lose in life.
Okay.
And what kept me going, just यार वो जज्बा जुनून कि इसमें आए हैं तो जीतना है. मैं अगर कुछ करती हूँ तो मुझे अपना 1000% देना है ब्रो, 100% भी नहीं देना है. वो अलग बात है कि आप हारे या जीते, सीख के जाना है ब्रो, और अपना 100% देना है. When I come back out of the house, I don't want to regret anything, because in my life I have never known regrets. I have never known defeat, and I've never been enraptured by victory also. So I know how to balance that out. And I think that's what kept me going, that nahi ye karna hai. So my pet name is Dolly, and everyone at home calls me Dolly. So in my head it's like Dolly, Dolly, do it, Dolly, do it. And then I still remember Govinda ka ek pata ek funny cheez tha, Hasina maan jayegi isme, hey Dolly, 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 Dolly.
Right.
So I used to keep telling myself, hey Dolly, 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 you can do it, Dolly, Dolly.
So you are someone वो बोलते ना खेलो तो जीतने के लिए.
हाँ यार, खेलना है तो जीतने के लिए ही खेलना है, वरना क्या मजा. और अगर आप जीतने के लिए खेलते हो ना ब्रो, तो अगर तुम हार भी जाओ ना, तुम्हें बुरा नहीं लगेगा, तुम्हें तकलीफ नहीं होगी, यू स्टिल बी प्राउड अबाउट योरसेल्फ. बट अगर आपने खेलने के पहले आप हार मान लियो ना, तो यार वो तो बहुत फीका हो जाएगा, मजा नहीं आएगा. नो माय सीन.
अच्छा, टेल मी योर ओपिनियन ऑन खुशी मुखर्जी. उनके जो पैप वीडियोस हैं हम देखते हैं. व्हाट आर योर ओपिनियंस ऑन हर फैशन स्टेटमेंट?
Each to their own. But I mean, that's her decision, that's her choice. We live in a country and a world where everyone can choose their way of life. It's not something that I would do, like I said. It's against my morals, values, or dignity in life. But if she's finding it comfortable, agar unko lag raha hai, if she's happy in that space,
it's all right then.
It's all right.
Okay. So what do you think your decision to saying yes to the show, was that right, or are you really happy?
Yeah, of course. Like I said, I am very happy. I have no regrets. I've never known defeat. I've never been enraptured by victory. But I'm very happy, bro. I'm very happy because it's fun to see me. Like, I really was very confused show में जाने के पहले, because मैं भी बहुत सनखोपड़ी हूँ. ठीक है, मेरा भी सनक जाता है after a point. I am a Pathan, pure Pathan, hot-blooded from within. But at the same time, I'm sharp. I have education, so I know how to present myself. But watching myself is a whole different ballgame. I'm like, oh, okay, all right. And now, though, like, honestly, I don't care in life, because for me, it's all about looking good and making money.
The ultimate mantra, I feel.
So, yeah, that's my life mantra. You know, you look good, you make money, live your life, take care of your family, make them proud and feel proud about yourself. So right now, me watching myself on the show, I'm having fun.
Okay.
I'm having a lot of fun.
अच्छा, ऐसा कोई मोमेंट हुआ where you felt shocked कि ये चीज़ मैंने कैसे कर ली शो में?
Yeah, bro. So there's a task that's going to come. मैं ज़्यादा तो नहीं बात कर सकती उसके बारे में, but just a little bit. There's a task that's going to come, which was very difficult, because I weigh 47 kgs, and in the show, trust me, bro, because खाना नहीं मिल रहा था, नींद नहीं हो रही थी, plus इतनी physical activities थी. In 3 days, I think I lost 3-4 kilo. Like, I'm not kidding. When I came back, I was skinny. I was way skinnier than this. I was like, now put on weight. So, you know, it was the fourth, fifth day in the house, and you know, my body was also kind of giving up. We were all tired. And there was this task where I am 47 and there was this another chick with me who may be like 53, 54. And with our body weight, we had to perform this task. And it was really tough. I got very bruised, like brutally injured. Bruised is like an understatement. I was brutally injured. बहुत चोट लग गई थी. And in that task, bro, I don't know if they're going to put it, but I remember Amir and Bhavsha shouting, "Go, no, do it, you can do it, don't stop, don't stop." And I have like, I'm just here and I'm being dragged by somebody and I'm just holding my heart and I am telling Amir and Bhavish one sec, I need to breathe. I need to catch hold of my breath. I could not breathe, bro, at that point. And I've taken a 10-second break in the task where I'm just like breathing. And then when I'm like telling myself like, you know, you can do it, Dolly, go for it. And then I picked myself again and done it. And I think at that moment, that particular moment is like inside मेरे दिमाग में छप गया है कि नहीं यार, मतलब मैं जंगल में उतरी और भले कुछ भी आ जाए मेरे साथ, कोई भी जानवर मेरे सामने आ जाए, जो इंसान होता है ना, उससे बड़ा बेहतरीन जानवर और शातिर जानवर कोई नहीं हो सकता है. बस अक्ल, नियत, ताकत और जज्बा जुनून होना चाहिए. And then you can do it.
So ये शो ने आपको और stronger बना दिया.
Definitely.
But has it made you that stronger to participate in Big Boss?
Of course. Any day. I think I've had a crash course. I've had a mini crash course now. I'm ready for, and not just Big Boss, I'm ready for anything that comes onto me, you know. I think in today's time and age, these are things that I really hope that in future our school systems and our parents also teach us and tell us that going out workforce is like a jungle out there. It's not easy, you know. Your maths, your science, what you learned in school, everything matters. But when you're in that jungle ना, तो जो आपके सामने आ रहा है ना, आपको शिकार, like उसने आपको शिकार बना लिया. And basically that person is come to pounce at you, eat you. You're like an eagle. That's what I felt in the show. And this is something my dad also told me that, you know, you look like an eagle. And there are crows everywhere. And the crows are coming to bite the eagle. And what does the eagle do? She does not engage. She elevates. And that's exactly what I did. And that's exactly how I feel after the show now. I'm ready for anything. Bring it on, babe. लड़का हो, लड़की हो, मारने वाला टास्क हो, खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, कुछ भी हो, I will win.
I'm loving this, you know, the way you are accepting everything and the challenges.
I think acceptance is the first key of having a happy life, guys. You have to accept yourself, your situation, everything.
Acha, you're reading the comments. What are people saying about it?
People are, I'm very happy. Touch wood, alhamdulillah, I'm very happy. क्योंकि मुझे बहुत comments आ रहे हैं, people are like, oh wow, you played the show really gracefully. We love you, most beautiful contestant in the show, which is a fact. Right? I think I'm sounding so pompous, but yeah. But I'm loving the reactions. I'm loving the reactions not just from friends and family, but from unknown people, you know, just fans out there, audience, raw people who are watching the show and they're like, नहीं यार, तुम हमें बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो, तुमने बहुत gracefully खेला है, तुमने बहुत dignified way में खेला है, तुम बहुत strong player हो, लोग की पट रही है तुमसे. So I'm enjoying. I'm very happy with the reactions.
Okay. Yeah, so you are happy with the overall journey, right?
Yeah. And अब तो बहुत कुछ आना बाकी है. अब तो बहुत कुछ देखना बाकी है.
आया ना शायद.
अब तो हाँ 8 या 9 ही आया है. There's a lot more coming.
Okay. And the memories people have of you is from the ABCD's days. Look at that journey. क्या आता आपके दिमाग में? Any memory that you can share?
माँ की कसम बड़ी भारी आइटम कोई लड़की नहीं एक loaded gun है. That one. But ABCD was amazing, bro. Like Ekta was a baby back then when I did it. I think I was the most youngest on set, and I worked really hard. I was not a dancer. We had 6 months of.
You were not a dancer.
No, bro. So for me, I have learned dancing bachpan mein. I wanted to learn ballet, and Mama put me in Bharatnatyam as a child. And then I did Bharatnatyam for like, of course, 11-12 years. But it wasn't like that's something that I want to do and I want to be a dancer and things. That was never the thing. I never professionally danced and all. And then ABCD came my way. I was really young, just got out of school, and I was like, okay, let's do this. This also is challenging, it's risky. And this challenging wala, risky wala nature na मेरे बचपन से था कि ले लेते हैं, कर लेते हैं, देखते क्या होता है. So it was a big challenge for me, ABCD, because everyone else was such a thorough professional, right? So to even stand in frame with like Prabhu sir, with Remo, with such इतने ये लोग ऐसे मुकाम पे पहुंच गए कि अब ये इतने thorough professionals हैं, फटती भी थी, bro. But I was like, no, I have to do this, and I learned so much. I learned so much about filmmaking. I learned so much about dancing. I learned so much about what happens on a set and you know light क्या होती है and ये editing क्या है, ये सारी चीजें मैंने वहाँ सीखी and वहाँ से भी मुझे शौक आया to learn more कि behind the camera क्या होता है bro. मतलब अब ये हमने shoot तो कर लिया, मैंने acting कर लिया, अब इसके बाद ये how is this going to come on celluloid, you know, I want to see that. So it was very interesting. I learned a lot in ABCD. An amazing experience. Also, I think we were very young. सब बहुत जवान बच्चे थे, some young blood. Everyone was having fun. I remember choreographies was never like, अच्छा अभी ये सर है. No, हम सब इकट्ठा करते थे. So Puneet, Dharmesh, Salman, all of us. Lauren came in a little later. Initially it was just us, हमारा जो gang था. And we used to do everything together. So like हम साथ में खा भी रहे. It was like one big family.
But बच्चे dance rehearsals होते वो कैसे होते थे उसमें?
Very tough. Like that was of course society के बाद तो मुझे सब easy लग रहा है. Right. But like I said, it was challenging. हम सुबह उठते थे यार bro, 6 बजे से हमारी rehearsal start होती थी. We used to have Kathak followed by gymnastics, followed by Parkour classes, followed by hip hop, followed by ये वो. So जो सुबह 6 बजे से हम नाच रहे हैं, we used to get done by like 12:30 in the night, and that went on for like 6 months. But that's also I think hard work counts ना. वहाँ हम सब बच्चों ने मिलके मेहनत की and that is what the audience loved. It came across and मेहनत का फल बहुत मीठा था.
मुझे लगता है the rawness जो थी ना शो फिल्म की, उसने ही ऑडियंस को इतना
attract किया. Yeah, for sure. They're all raw people, all young people, new people, fresh blood. And I think that's what I'm trying to say, that rawness is very attractive, you know. Right. Rawness, mystery. Even being polished is attractive, but उसका एक अलग मजा आता है. And because हम सबका शुरुआत था, so we also were like, you know, we have to do this. पूरा 100% let's go. And I remember like जो अपना last वाला ABCD में song है ना, the Ganpati song. Dude, before that song, they जोश में थे, yeah, let's do it at 5, 6, 7, going down. So बहुत मजा आता था. Like very, very high on energy.
Right. Okay. And Remo sir भी जो थे director थे, उन्होंने क्या कुछ, of course he was helpful, क्या उन्होंने
He's a sweetheart. Okay. Like if you ask anyone, Remo is a freaking sweetheart. He is, again, he comes in with so much positive energy. He's always smiling. And there is this, you know, sense of calmness that he has, which is he's very calm, he's very composed. So, you know, people, kids like us who are very hyper, sir, we need dance. He's like, relax. So, you know, you need that. You need a Guruji to guide you. You need someone to tell you that, no, sometimes you need appreciation also. And Remo sir is very appreciative. It's something I love in him. I think लोग अक्सर ये नहीं करते कि they forget to appreciate कि bro तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. So like as an artist, you're just going back home and contemplating, yaar kiya ki nahi kiya, I don't know. But to get that validation from your director is just fab. So like I said, positive energy, always smiling. And I love that every time something went wrong, he would not worry. He would be like, dude, it's fine. गलतियाँ होती है, हम उसको सही कर लेंगे. हमने ही गलत किया है ना, हम ही सही करेंगे. So these are things that I learned from Remo also throughout.
Because from my side, तो it is a big thumbs up for that film. मैंने, you know, I'm saying it, मैंने इतनी बार देखी है. I don't know why. I think so. The rawness जो थी वो मैं बोल रही हूँ. It was literally perfect.
Thank you.
And yes, before ABCD, what were you doing?
I was too young. I was studying.
Actually, you were studying.
I was in school. And before ABCD, I had done 2 ads. One was Cadbury with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. That was my first ad that I did. And then I did Coke with Amir Khan. And then I did this Canon thing with Sachin Tendulkar. So right before ABCD, yeah. I've done like 3 fab advertisements, and I got approached for ABCD. And I remember in ABCD also, when I was approached, UTV and Remo were like, we're looking for someone who can not just dance but act and perform, because Shaina was the only one character who had a journey. She fell in love, and then her lover went away, and then, you know, there's so much drama happening in her life, and emotions are going up and down. So they wanted to make sure that they had someone who could even perform acting wise. So yeah, and I think I'm just really lucky and grateful that I got this. And मैंने एकदम game खल्लास कर दिया, एकदम झकास performance दी मैंने.
Yes. And also, do you feel the industry has explored you enough in terms of giving opportunities?
If the industry has explored me enough.
Explored your talent enough.
Oh, like that. Yeah. I think there is a lot of talent in me, and there's much more to come out, much more for me also to explore. Like now, I explored reality TV. Yeah. Like this is something I'd never done before.
That too, first reality show.
Yeah, my first ever reality show ever. So I think I am an explorer. and I'm on my journey and I'm here to explore different things. And I think ये इंडस्ट्री को हम जितनी भी गालियाँ दे दें, ये ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जो लोगों के पेट भी भर रही है, उनके पॉकेट्स भी भरती है. It's all about survival, bro. It's all
Right.
about survival of the fittest, the strongest. आपकी hard work, किस्मत, नियत. एंड आई थिंक अगर आपकी नीयत साफ होती है, जो बहुत दिग्गज लोगों ने एंड हमारे बड़े बड़े एक्टर्स, चाहे वो शाहरुख सर हो, सलमान खान हो, नसीरुद्दीन शाह, ऑल ऑफ दीस पीपल हैव ऑलवेज कम एंड सेड दैट योर नीयत हैज टू बी देयर एंड हार्ड वर्क. एंड डूड, आई डोंट थिंक कि अरे एम आई बीइंग एक्सप्लोर्ड, मेरे साथ लाइक मैं दिख रही हूँ नहीं दिख रही हूँ. आई एम हियर टू जस्ट डू हार्ड वर्क. दैट्स अबाउट इट. माई वर्क इज गोना स्पीक फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड हार्ड वर्क करते हैं और वही मुझे चमकाएगा.
Hard work and enjoyment, I feel.
Hard work, yeah. I enjoy my work, bro. I am someone like that. I don't take stress, I give stress. I'm like hard work, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't take stress, I give stress. And I'm like, if it's my work, I love performing, bro. I love entertaining people. And I think it's very important to love your job, because only when you love it,
True.
you're going to give it your 100%,
True.
you know.
Right. Okay, we have 3 segments, okay? The first is what the comments. We have filtered out 2 comments from your post and you have to react. So the first one is good. Chandu की girlfriend.
चंदू मर गया है, guys. I need a new Chandu. Find me. कहाँ है मेरा चंदू?
अच्छा, ये कमेंट आपको कितनी बार दिख चुका है?
बहुत, कितनी बार कमेंट, ये रियल लाइफ में कितने लोग बोलते हैं, अरे चंदू, लाइक आई रिमेंबर द मूवी गॉट ओवर, पीपल यूज्ड टू कमेंट मी, सॉरी यार चंदू मर गया. आई एम लाइक, अरे मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ मर गया, ठीक है ना यार. मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, वो तो चर्च चल रहा था. But this I get very often. My DMs also feel, hey Chandu की girlfriend, hey Chandu की girlfriend. It's funny.
Okay. The second is ABCD के बाद आप कहीं दिखे नहीं.
मैं दिख रही हूँ, आप अंधे हो. You're not following the right people.
Okay. So the next is the hashtag show. I'll give you names and you have to give one hashtag to them.
Oh,
ठीक है?
all right.
First is Munawar Faruqi.
Hashtag master.
Society.
Whoa, hashtag crazy experience.
Khushi Mukherjee.
Hashtag no comments.
Arohi Khurana.
Hashtag who's that?
Okay, ABCD.
Hashtag fab.
Remo.
Hashtag Guruji.
Prabhu Deva.
Hashtag dancer.
Puneet.
Hashtag Chandu.
Dharmesh.
Dharmesh. Hashtag underdog.
Lauren.
Firangi power.
Okay, and for you?
And for me, hashtag legend.
Let's go. Okay, so the last segment is called the last. ठीक है?
All right.
I'll give you certain questions and you have to say the last thing आपने क्या किया उस पर.
Acha, okay, fine.
हाँ.
Cool.
So first is the last song you had on repeat.
You know, I'm listening to 2-3 songs on repeat. One is that Sahiba.
Reels पे जो trend हो रहा है.
Yeah, and then there's one more song. Yeah, how can I forget it? मैं उसको इतना repeat पे सुन रही थी. I'm gonna check it.
हाँ.
दूर आते आते तो मैं क्या ही सुन रही थी, सफारी. Come on. Okay, fine. We'll just take that question again.
Okay. The last person you stalked on Instagram.
मैं नहीं बता सकती यार.
I have to say कोई तो होगा.
Myself.
Yourself. ठीक है. The last person you blocked on Instagram.
Oh, many. I've been blocking many. I block many people. Like, I'm someone that if you annoy me and if you come in my energy and put bad energy, I'll just block you off, like cut you off. So too many people on my block list who are famous and I can't name them right now.
ठीक है. The last time you hugged.
I hugged.
हाँ.
Right now I hugged you when I came. I hugged my sister who's there. So yeah.
Yes. The last time you cried.
Oh, I don't cry, make people cry. So
Okay.
I'm not a cry baby for sure.
The last expensive thing you bought.
Most expensive. I think after the show now I've purchased some stuff. But I think expensive things don't matter, yeah. After coming out of the show, I know I'm going to sound like such a Miss India, but just like, you know, spending time with family, being in the right circle of friends and with good energy, I think that's the biggest luxury in life, and that's what I'm doing.
True. The last cheap thing you bought.
Last cheap thing I bought, I think I can tell you the last cheap thing I did was interact with some cheap people on the show called The Society. Yeah. The cheapest thing I bought would be a vada pav. I love vada pav. Huh? I love eating food. I'm a very big foodie. Okay. So I think the last cheapest thing I bought was a vada pav yesterday. मैं ठूस के खाया 2.
The last travel destination.
Last travel destination was Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah, I recently gone to Singapore a couple of months back. I love Singapore. I just absolutely love Singapore passion. So yeah.
Okay, but after this show, has your perspective on life changed?
My perspective on life.
Life.
I wouldn't say it's taken a dramatic change because I feel like मुझे काफ़ी तजुर्बा है ज़िंदगी का and काफ़ी कुछ देखा है मैंने. But like I said that I realized that even in the most toughest and a moment जब आपको लग रहा है everything is over, you know, I'm gonna lose this, that's the time where you can actually regain yourself in that moment and be like, no, you can do this.
Okay.
So I think just the show से मैं यही सीख के जा रही हूँ, it has strengthened me more, filled me up with so much more bravery, bahaduri, and now I can take on the world like I could before.
And take on new challenges.
Take on your challenges.
Yes, Nureen, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.
It was lovely talking to you.
Same
I love
here.
your unfiltered avatar and all.
Thank you
so much for
guys.
joining.
Dua mein yaad rakhna. Khuda Hafiz.